Hi, I'm Jerwin from Project Line. Today we're going to talk about the new SAP Business One web client. If you're not familiar with the web client, it's basically a browser-based version of SAP Business One that can be accessed by any browser such as Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. And we're excited to share some of the new developments being made on the web client. Now we know you have questions and our goal is to answer them. In this video, we'll talk about the current state of the web client, what can users do, what are the functional limitations, is there a cost to start using the web client, and when should existing users move to the web client? Let's answer those questions right now. So, what's the current state? Web client is available with version 10.0. So if you're running a prior version like 9.3, you'll need to upgrade. SAP is working toward full parity with a desktop application by 2027. The core message here is that SAP has made significant progress in building out the functionality, but there's still work to be done. The latest major advancement is the release of the Extensibility Toolkit back in May of 2024. This allows partners to customize the web client and add-on providers the ability to develop their solutions for the web client. So, what can users do in the web client today? Major modules like sales, CRM, purchasing, item management, business partner master data, and payments are all available, but not all their respective submodules and functionalities are available yet. However, with each feature pack release, SAP is introducing more and more functionality. So if you were to use the web client today, users can easily look up information and make basic data updates and transactions. For example, a salesperson can track their opportunities, manage their pipelines, create quotes, and manage customer data. But we still recommend talking to us about your requirements. The recommended best practice is to keep users in one interface. In other words, don't have them flipping between the traditional desktop version and the web client version. The important thing to note is the release of the Extensibility Toolkit, which means partners and add-on providers alike can customize and develop their solutions for the web client. But what are the current limitations? Existing customizations would need to be transferred to the web client to match workflows in your desktop version. If you were to use the web client today, the add-ons you use in your desktop environment likely wouldn't be available because the major add-on providers haven't yet converted their solutions to the web client. But they have the tools to do it now. So stay tuned to learn when major add-on providers will provide roadmaps about the transition of their solutions to the web client. So what's the cost? Well, if you're running version 10.0, you can access the web client with your existing license. There may be some fees related to setup and additional server infrastructure, but licensing and maintenance costs remain the same. And finally, when should existing users implement the web client? The right time to start using the web client will depend on the specifics of your business. What do your users need? How heavily do you rely on add-ons? Do you have bespoke customizations that would have to be transitioned over to the web client? All of those things need to be factored into your decision. So, connect with us to talk about your situation, and we'll help you determine when the right time is for you. Stay tuned for more updates from us as we develop more content on the web client. And check out our videos that showcases some of the web client's capabilities. See you soon.